Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and especially the honorable judges. In this opportunity, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Irfan Udri, and I am student of Stage A. I am honored to be one of the candidates for ICT Ambassador. I am a relaxed person, but I also a diligent person. Thank you very much.
Please explain about globalization.
Well, thanks for the question. Here, let me tell you about globalization. Globalization is process of international integration that has been driven by advance in technology, transportation, and communication. It has led to the creation of global market where goods and services are produced, traded, and consumed on the worldwide scale. Globalization has also facilitated the exchange of ideas, cultures, and values, leading to a more interconnected and interdependent world. The key features of globalization, they are global market, the creation of global market where goods and services are produced, traded, and consumed on a worldwide scale. Free trade, the reduction of trade barriers such as tariffs and quotas to facilitate the flow of goods and services across national borders. Global supply chain, the integration of production process across national borders with different stages of production taking place in different countries. Global communication, the use of technology such as internet and mobile phone to facilitate the communication and exchange of ideas across national borders. And the last, cultural exchange. The exchange of cultures, values, and ideas across national borders, leading to more interconnected and interdependent world. The benefits of globalization, they are economic growth. Globalization has led to increased economic growth, job creation, and poverty reduction in many countries. Second, increased competition. Globalization has increased competition, leading to improved productivity, innovation, and lower price. Access to new market. Globalization has provided business with access to new market, enabling them to expand their customer base and increase their revenue. And the last, cultural issues. Globalization has led to cultural issues, leading to a more interconnected and interdependent world. To face globalization, there are the challenges. First, income inequality. Globalization has led to increased income inequality, with some individuals and groups benefiting more than others. Second, job displacement. Globalization has led to job displacement as companies move production to countries with lower livelihoods. Third, environmental degradation. Globalization has led to environmental degradation as companies prioritize profit over sustainability. And the last, cultural homogenization. Globalization has led to cultural homogenization as local cultures are replaced by global brands and values. Thank you very much.
Well, for the next participant, please come.